Our company in mainland China to achieve thousands of pick and place machines to supply a SMT solution for overseas markets. With the features of ease of use, stability, and high precision, NeoDen pick and place machines are well known among electronic hobbyists, lab researchers, and PCB manufacturing. To meet the increasing demand of complete one-stop solutions, NeoDen designed and manufactured Reflow oven IN6 in 2019 and IN12 in 2020 to work together with solder printers, conveyors, PCB loaders, unloaders, AOI, SPI, BGA rework stations, etc., as production line. To assure efficient and professional pre-sales and after-sales internationally, a global service network is established from Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe to Australia. NeoDen always adheres to independent R&D and attaches great importance to the cultivation of R&D strength. We owns 100 plus national patents, and our products are CE qualified. NeoDen was and will be trying our best to achieve a new stage by developing new products continuously with innovative technology to meet the ever-changing market's needs. Responding to customer voice with high quality and maximum value that only NeoDen can expect and achieve always. Always listening to our customer's voice is a constant value of NeoDen, and one that we always strive to achieve.